Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Blackmagic Design Project Server for team edits, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect the Blackmagic Design Project Server for team edits, follow these steps. Start by ensuring that you have the latest version of Blackmagic DaVinci Resolve installed. Open DaVinci Resolve on your workstation. Navigate to the Project Manager window. In the Project Manager, look for the New Project button. Click the New Project button to create a new project. Enter a name for your project in the dialog box that appears. Once your project is created, go to the Collaborative settings. Enable collaboration by toggling the Collaboration Mode switch. Next, you will need to set up the Blackmagic Design Project Server. Ensure that the project server is installed and running on your network. Open the Blackmagic Design Project Server application. In the project server, click on Create Database. Choose a name and location for your database. Click Create to establish the new database. After creating the database, go back to DaVinci Resolve. In the Project Manager, click on the Connect button. A dialog box will pop up asking for the database connection details. Enter the server's IP address and port number as required. Input your username and password for authentication. Click Connect to establish a connection to the project server. Once connected, your newly created project will appear in the Project Manager. Select your project to open it for editing. Invite team members by selecting Team Members in the Collaboration settings. Enter the email addresses of your team members to send invites. Each team member will receive an email to join the project. Once they accept the invitation, they will appear in the collaboration settings. Now you're ready for collaborative editing. Team members can access the project and make edits simultaneously. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.